All right, let's see. He. This is a key. If you put a circle, it's a he. All right, it's kind of a bird. In Chinese, it's called a chi. All right, so at the beginning, so for example, hing, this is a he, and this is like an n. Okay, this is a he, and this is an, and this is a hing. Okay, this functions like a g. All right, hing 什么 attentively 专心致志的 hing 什么 hing 什么 for example hing 什么 akdambi a k a k dam da and mubi akdambi 相信 believe hing 什么 akdambi 深信不疑笃信 totally believe completely believe. All right, let's look at he in the middle. For example, wu le he mu bi 知晓 to know something, to understand something. Okay, wu le he su wu and le he and su. Wu le he su is 聪明 brightness, cleverness. Okay, and one more example. For example, 乾隆. Okay, so it's a long word. Okay, let's see. A b 卡 yi 就是天的 Okay, the heavens 我协和我 he 也和 Okay, it's like a Mongolian 长生天庇护礼 Okay, 就是天的庇佑天的护助 Okay, so supported and protected by the heaven, but in Chinese it's Qianlong, the emperor, right? The reign title of Qianlong emperor. And he in the end, for example, fu, qi, and he is Buddha. Okay, so in Manchu it's a fu qi he. So, for example, 阿弥陀就是这个 a b 达 fu qi he fu qi and he. Don't forget the dot for fu. This is f, and this is u. So fu fu and qi qi and he he. Okay, a b da. But I think it should be spelled in the Mongolian way. So it's like ami rather than abi, because in Mongolian language, so this b often pronounces as me. It can be that way, right? So it should be 아민, 아미다, 아미다, 부치시.